5S practices.
Do you know what is 5S? Sort. Eliminate all unnecessary tools, parts, materials. Keep only essential items. Set in order. Arrange workers, equipment, parts, in designated places. Shine. Clean the workspace and equipment, and keep it clean, tidy and organized. Standardized. Develop cleaning schedules and cleanliness standards to maintain the first 3 S's. Sustain. Ensure disciplined adherence to rules and procedures. These are the 5S principles to apply and maintain. Principle 1. Only necessary materials and tools are kept in work area. Principle 2. Equipment and tools have defined storage locations where they must be kept when not in use. Principle 3. Material staging areas are well defined. Principle 4. Extension cord management. Principle 5. Work and storage areas are neat, clean and organized. Principle 6. Tools and cart are clean and organized. Principle 7. Signs and barricade are properly installed. Other key important points includes 1. Properly dispose of non-hazardous or solid waste trash at appropriate intervals during the workday and at the end of shifts. 2. Ensure receptacles are available for paper and other debris created by the work in progress. 3. Practice reduce, recycle and reuse when handling materials. Responsibility of each person at work in a manner such as, to take necessary measures to minimize noise, vibration, and dust. Properly litter of trash, debris or waste created by the work in progress into the provided container. Properly dispose of non-hazardous or solid waste, trash, scrap, excess material, and other debris at appropriate intervals. Practice the principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle when practicable without jeopardizing quality of product. Benefits of implementing 5S. Reduce space needed for storage. Improve maintenance. Improve safety. Higher employees' commitment.
Next we look at our 5S induction video.
Applying 5S system. 1. Sort. 2. Straighten. 3. Shine. 4. Standardize. 5. Sustain. 1. Sort. Sort the unused item, or materials at your workplace and remove unwanted items systematically. 2. Straighten. Arrange all items in an orderly manner for easy retrieval. This will reduce time spent searching for items needed. 3. Shine. Keep workplace clean and tidy. Remove any dust or waste generated by work activity. 4. Standardize. Establish standards and guidelines to maintain a clean workplace. These are examples of a standardized workplace. Five. Sustain. Make 5S a habit, and teach others to adhere to establishing good cleaning and tidiness standards.
Each company should appoint an individual as 5S champion to promote 5S culture among their employees. Thank you for your time.